Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to record merchant fees that are deducted from the payments we receive from customers when using an intermediary such as Stripe or PayPal. Okay, now let's get started. In ZarMoney, we can account for merchant fees in one of two ways. We encourage you to try both and then use the method easiest for you. First, let's find the customer we received payment from using the search bar. From the Customer Transactions page, in the upper left-hand corner, under Add a New, we're going to click Receive a Payment. We're going to click the invoice that we received payment on. We're going to use the payment method of credit card, and it's going to deposit into the deposit bag or undeposited funds. Okay, click Save and Close. Then from the banking navigation, we're going to click Deposits, the plus sign next to deposits. We're going to deposit to general checking account for this example. The deposit date was today. We're going to make sure that the payment method of credit card is checked so we can pull up our payment easily. And here it is. To add the merchant fee, we're going to go to the Add New Deposits section.
For this example, we're going to use vendor Stripe. For the account, I'm going to direct to bank fees. And this is an important step. In the amount field, we want to make sure that we put a negative number. And I'm going to put 5 as our merchant fee. So -5. And as you can see down here, the two amounts are netted to a total of $95. Okay, check to make sure everything's good. Save and close.
For the next method, we're going to be doing the same steps up until the last step. So we're going to do Add a New, Receive Payment. We're going to select the invoice that we received payment on. The payment method was credit card. And we're going to deposit into the deposit bag.
Save and close.
Banking navigation, we're going to select deposits, but the plus sign next to deposits. We're going to deposit to the general checking account using today's date as the deposit date because that's when we made the deposit. We're going to select credit card, and here is our payment for selection. Now, instead of going to Add New Deposits, we're going to go back up to the top and we're going to check the box next to Merchant Fee. We're going to direct it to bank fees like we did in the last example. Now here's an important distinction. We're going to put a positive amount in this field. So we're going to put +5. And as you can see, there's still a netting down here of $95. Okay, so everything looks good, so we're going to hit Save and Close. And here's the confirmation screen confirming $95 as the net amount. And this is going to make it much easier to match to your bank statement. By completing this process, we are reporting our sales and the profit and loss accurately, as well as properly recording our merchant fees, which is a distinct deduction that can be taken on your Schedule C when filing income taxes. Thank you for watching this ZarMoney training video. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.